Snowfall. After finishing dinner, Gattu and Chinky were watching photos of the Manali trip on Mummy's phone.
Do you remember, Chinky? Snowfall in Manali was so beautiful. Yes, Kattu. We played so much over there. It was so fun. Chinky, after watching these photos, I wish we could go to some hill station once again. Let's go and talk to Mummy Papa about it.
Both of them rushed into the drawing room and asked Mummy Papa.
Mummy Papa, where are we going for winter vacations this year? Papa, let's go to Manali once again. We had so much fun last time.
I am sorry, kids. We will not be able to go anywhere this year. I will not get long leave from the office this time. I can hardly get 2 days leave.
Yes, kids. This time we have to spend our vacations at home.
After hearing this from Mummy and Papa, Gattu and Chinky became very sad.
Chinky, should we go and talk to Mummy Papa once again and ask them to take us on a trip? I don't think it will work, Gattu. You heard right? That Papa has only 2 days leave. And where can we go in these 2 days?
Then Gattu Chinky started doing their vacation homework with heavy hearts. That is when Chinky saw a magazine kept on the table. It had Snow World written on it in big letters.
Hey, what is this? There is a newly opened indoor park called Snow World in our city. So what? What does it have, Chinky? It will have an atmosphere just like a hill station. And it has snowfall too. And it also has all the fun winter activities like ice skating and snowboarding too. Oh wow! I can't believe it, Chinky. Kattu, let's go and show this to Mummy.
Both of them rushed towards the kitchen and showed the magazine to Mummy.
Wow guys, this sure looks like a wonderful indoor park. And that too in our city only. Oh, so will you and Papa take us over there, Mummy? Yes, Mummy. Please, please, please. Of course, why not? This is close to our home, so there will not be any problem going there. We will definitely go. In the evening, we will talk to Papa about this. Yay! Yippee!
In the evening when Papa returned home from the office, Gattu, Chinky and Mummy convinced him to go to the Snow World. And the next day, the whole family left for Snow World. Gattu and Chinky were waiting with Mummy at the gate of Snow World and Papa was buying tickets.
Wow, this is so huge. If it is so huge from the outside, how it will be inside? Mummy, I will do ice skating too. Yes, Mummy, me too. Alright kids, why not? You should have lots of fun. That is why we have come here.
Let's go. I bought the tickets. Let's go in. And these are the warm jackets and hand gloves for all of you. You have to wear them before going in. Everyone wore jackets and went inside. When they saw the view inside, not just Gattu Chinky but Mummy Papa were astonished too. Each and every corner was covered with snow and even the temperature was as low as a hill station. It was snowing lightly but continuously. People were enjoying various snow activities.
Ho, it feels like we have traveled to Manali once again. And this snowfall is so beautiful, right? You are wrong. We are not in Manali because there are no pandas in Manali. But look over there. There is a panda too.
Saying this, Chinky pointed towards a soft toy of a panda that was sitting on a bench and looking exactly like a real panda.
Mummy, please take my photo with the panda. Yes, I also want to be in that photo. Okay kids, now smile and say cheese. Cheese!
Come on guys, now let's go ice skating. Chinky, you know ice skating very well. But Gattu, you should be more careful. Don't fall.
See Gattu, Papa still remembers how many times you fell while ice skating in Manali. Hehehe. But today I am not going to fall, Chinky. Not at all. Alright Gattu, all the best.
Then Gattu, Chinky and Papa went ice skating and Mummy was busy recording their video.
Yay! This is so much fun! Wow! Woohoo!
Be careful guys, slowly! This way Gattu, Chinky and Mummy Papa enjoyed all the games that were there.
Kids, you must be hungry by now. After all, you had so much fun today. Yes, Mummy.
Even I am famished today.
Then let's go into our igloo and have a delicious lunch. Igloo? Igloo means snow house. Am I correct, Mummy?
Yes, Gaddu.
Wow, we are going to have lunch in a snow house. It will be so much fun.
Yes, Chinky. Hurry up, let's go.
All of them went into a small but cute igloo and took their seats.
Oh, it is so cold in here, Mummy. No way, I'm actually having lots of fun.
And looking at you enjoying all of these things makes us happy, kids.
Okay, guys, what do you want to eat?
Mummy, Papa, do you remember we ate special noodles on the hills?
Oh yes, we had sizzling hot vegetable noodles there.
Let's order the same, Papa.
Alright, Chinky. And what about you, Gattu?
Oh, I want to eat ice cream, Papa.
What? No way. No one will get an ice cream. Who eats ice cream in such a cold atmosphere?
Hehehe, I was just kidding, Mummy. I will have a cheesecake.
Okay, noted. Wait for a second, I'll order it. Then Papa rang a bell that was hung inside an igloo, and a lady came to take their orders. After some time, their lunch arrived.
Wow, this food is so delicious. Yes, these noodles are just like we ate in Manali. Actually, these are more delicious.
Eat slowly, kids. You should really enjoy your lunch.
After finishing their lunch, they started walking towards exit to leave for home. They saw a lot of Snow World stationery edition things kept over there.
Papa, I want Snow World's pencil. I want to gift it to Bunty. And Papa, I want Snow World's diary. I will give it to Goody.
Alright, kids, go and select what you want. Hearing this, Gattu Chinky rushed towards it and selected gifts for their friends.
Thank you, Papa.
So, are you guys happy now?
Gattu Chinky looked at each other and said,
Very, very happy, Mummy.
and this way, all of them enjoyed a day in the snow world. Snowfall. One evening, after packing their bags, Gattu, Chinky and Dad were trying the best to convince Mom. 3 of them were convincing Mom, but Mom was not agreeing.
Mom, please.
No way.
Such opportunities don't come often. Let's go.
You guys go. I will not come.
Hey, if you will not go, then what will we do?
Then just cancel the trip.
Mom, please. Mom, please.
No matter how hard you guys try, I'm not gonna go.
Mom went to her room. 3 of them also went after her and kept convincing her again and again. Yet she didn't agree. Okay then, we are leaving. Come on, Gattu Chinky. We will miss our flight.
But Dad.
Gattu Chinky, let's go. Gattu Chinky also came out of the room along with Dad. As soon as he came out, Dad winked at Gattu Chinky. Gattu Chinky also understood the gesture. Dad closed the door of Mom's room from outside, and Mom, who was sitting inside, got scared.
Hey, why did you close the door?
We are going. And you wanted to stay at home, right? Then you will be locked in this room till we come back.
What is this madness? Open the door.
No, this door will not open until we come back.
But what will I do sitting here alone for so many days?
Then come with us.
But it's too cold there.
We will be there too.
Snowfall happens there.
We'll be there too.
Okay, then open the door. I'm coming.
Their flight was at 9 p.m. in the night. They arrived at the airport by a taxi and boarded the plane and left. But where? We forgot to tell you that. They were all going on a winter vacation to enjoy the snowfall. You know where? In the Himalayas in Uttarakhand. Are you excited too? We knew. So come on, along with Gattu Chinky, we will also take you to the Himalayas. Within a few hours, the flight landed in Dehradun. It was quite cold there. But don't worry. Gattu Chinky were ready from top to bottom to fight the cold.
Wow, the air is fresh and amazing in here. Every breath is exciting me.
Son, this is the special thing about this place. That is why people from all over the world come here.
Dad, we have reached till here. But now where and how to go to our next destination? You haven't told us about this.
Rishikesh is just 20 kilometers away from here. we'll go to Oli via bus from Rishikesh.
Let's go!
There is a ski resort named Oli in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. There are many snow sports in Oli. And to enjoy all of these, Gattu Chinky's family has left home and come here. The bus journey was really great and interesting. The bus was moving slowly through the high mountains of Himalayas. There was a deep gorge on both the sides, and the bus was passing through the road in the middle. Mountains were shining like icy white silver. There were tall pine trees. Gattu Chinky were enjoying all these through the bus window.
It seems like we are traveling in heaven. I just want to get off the bus and run in all these mountains, in the forests. I just don't want to stop.
Hearing this, Mom-Dad started laughing. Don't worry, Chinky. Our destination is near. We are going to reach there very soon. After a while, everyone reached Oli and stayed in a big resort. Gattu Chinky were very keen to play in the snow. But the weather was clear. There was not even a trace of snow falling. Poor Gattu Chinky got angry. Then the manager of the resort said,
Don't worry, the weather is clear now. But snowfall can happen within next 2 minutes. Between January and March, a lot of snowfall happens. You eat something and take some rest. And you will wake up to snowfall.
And so it happened. Mom-Dad were tired from the journey, so they were taking rest after having lunch. That's when Mom opened her eyes and saw Chinky was standing near the window looking at the view outside. It was like a dream sequence going on outside the window. The whole sky was full and a small amount of cotton was falling on the ground from the sky. But it was not cotton. It was soft cotton like snow, which was falling on the ground, and the ground was like it was covered with a white sheet. Mom also got excited.
Hey, wake up! The snowfall has already started.
Mom-Dad got up and came to the window. Chinky was so happy seeing the sight that tears came down rolling from her eyes, and she hugged her mom and dad.
Thank you so much for giving us this wonderful experience.
Mom kissed Chinky. Hey, where is Gattu?
Look at that!
Gattu was running in the snow outside, slipping and falling, making balls of snow and throwing them in the sky. Mom, Dad and Chinky ran to Gattu. The weather made Mom and Dad to forget their age. Gattu made a big ball of snow and threw it at Mom and Dad. Then Mom and Dad also made snowballs and threw at Gattu. Mom, Dad and Chinky attacked Gattu. Everyone was having fun laughing, frolicking here and there, sliding in the snow, chirping. That's when Gattu saw a group was coming towards them, skiing from the mountain. Gattu Chinky Mom started running towards them in all excitement, and their feet started slipping and sliding, and they started coming down the hill on their own.
Woohoo! Yay! Hoo-hoo!
Yahoo! The snowfall kept on increasing and increasing.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.